This is what the Bible says. That after 7 seasons, the tree was watered again. The tree grew up again. The same tree, but different today. It is another tree. It is the same tree, but different. Because the fruits are 7 times how they are. But the tree had to pass through the process of brokenness. Oh, the king was forced to live in the forest as a beast. As a beast. So that God may work with him. Renew him. Renew him. Mold him again. Deal with the heart. Deal with the anger. Deal with the immorality. Deal with the fear. Sometimes you may have fear. How will people see me? How will people judge me? God allows the process of brokenness so that they might see you. So that he might harden you. You are hardened until when you meet rocks. When you meet rocks, you feel like they are soft. Not because rocks are soft, but you are hardened that rocks can never interfere. I'm about to finish. As now means there is hope. Not allow Job to be shaken, but with the condition in Job chapter